Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. In order to get to the engine air filter, one or both panels need to be removed. You can take them off by removing the push clip shown. In addition, there is a screw clip in the corner that needs to be removed as well. The screw clip can be removed by pulling upwards or rotating. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Once all the pins are removed, pull the front panel straight up to remove it. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. Remove the 4 fasteners that secure the housing. Before you can remove the filter, unclip the sensor. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3998 filter into the housing. Match the shape of the filter to the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the wires. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the front panel, again realigning with the rivet holes. Reinstall the side panel. Secure the panel with the clips by threading the base in and pushing the clip down to lock it secure. If the screw clip was removed or fell out of its place in the panel, simply slide it back into place and then push down to lock it. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.